My husband is calling me. Go to the parlor.
Thank you. No, nothing. Is it Terry?
Jessica, Jessica, wake up. You guys should go to the parlor. My husband is calling me. Go to the parlor.
Hey, what is what you call? Please allow me to sleep.
Jessica, please, I need to answer this call privately. Go to the parlor now. Get the parlor. Why you always like this, Jessica? Grandma, please go.
How can I even give me peace?
She's already going to go. I want to do what you're doing. I'm going to Zuzu. I mean, leave. So I'm going to go already. Then I don't have why I come and say I don't look to.
Thank you, baby. Baby, do you really want to sit in the living room? Okay. Don't worry, I know you will love it. Alright, baby. This is the room divider. This is my telly. This is my chair. I hope you like it. Thank you, baby. You're so funny, you know. This is the second chair. Okay, let me take you to the kitchen, okay? Thank you, baby. No, nothing. Is it Terry? Yes. No, baby. No, is it Terry? Is it Toby? There's my dining table. Yeah, the fridge is Samsung. I hope you like it. Yes, it's very active. Trust me. Thank you. I know you like everything. It's okay, baby. 300K! Baby, you're so sweet. You're such a darling. I just can't wait. Another one for my upkeep? Oh! Babe, just want to kill me. Just kill me. I love you too. You're the best. Alright, baby. Thank you so much. I'll talk to you later, okay? I love you. Bye. Love you too. Alright. You call me tonight, right? It's okay. I love you. Bye.
Wow, this man is generous, so.
Yes,
really
he
man,
is. He is like.
Jessica!
Kevo, why you shout my name like that?
Jessica, I know that your tongue is very sharp. Because let today be the very first and last thing. Man, I didn't know you cook on phone. You will be born, Anita. Because what would you know? Okay, can you not command them above your prophet? I don't want the prophet laugh at ping pong, kiss you like. Open out here. I will call a man. Anita, me porn up boom. Oh, we go up hero.
Can you imagine the guts of this girl?
You're not tolerating what too much you now. They go more dancing. Jessica also.
Please, Jessica is my friend. Mind how you talk to her. And I didn't know. Mind that your business. Can't get over Sanagi.
Move up your enemy.
I beg.
Jessica!
Are you you sure that these girls are not lesbian?
You don't mind your mouth. You will not see the talk.
Lesbians? Ew! Nyama!
What is wrong with what I just said?
Eh?
Onye ajụjụ ọ na-efu ụzọ ka ebe ọdụ maka na ajụrụ ajụjụ nkịtị.
I like throwing up. It's not lesbian.
If you want to go, you can go. Not to stay.
Yeah,
Watch the film. So what to stay? Okay, it's good though.
Wow.
Sweet there. Good job.